go ahead. What's that?
It doesn't look anything.
Yeah, and then it goes away. So as soon as you hit that button, this blower motor starts going. And then as it speeds up, it makes that rattle, and then I thought maybe it was this little paper thing was hitting something. But what that is? A little loose, but once it gets going, it goes great.